Would you like to bring some joy to your team meetings? In this video, I want to share with you a few fun and easy energizers you can use to boost the mood and vitality of your group during your virtual gatherings. The first one is called the magic ball. For this activity, turn on your camera and raise your hands as if you were holding an imaginary ball. Tell your teammates that you have a magic ball with a unique superpower that can only be experienced by the person holding it. You can pick whichever superpower you like. For example, if you choose teleportation, those who hold the magic ball will be able to teleport in an instant to a destination of their choosing, like an Australian beach or the moon. After explaining the superpower and sharing your example, use your hands to mime throwing the magic ball to one of your colleagues by name. To receive the magic ball, they need to mime catching it and then act as though they're holding it. After sharing with the rest of the team where they would teleport, they then throw the magic ball to the next team member by name. Keep the magic ball rolling until everybody has shared. The second energizer is called the virtual gym. Would you like to get people's blood flowing? During a pause in your meeting, choose a part of your body you'd like to relax or activate. Perhaps it's rolling your head to release some tension in your neck, rotating your wrists to give them a break from typing, or even standing up to do some jumping jacks. Ask your group to join you in the movement, making whatever modifications they prefer for their comfort or health. And then repeat your movement a few times. After you're done, ask a colleague to choose a different body part and suggest another simple movement the whole group can imitate. If there's enough time, give everybody in the group a chance to choose. If you want more ideas for energizers, please check out our latest blog post at www.smithassembly.com.